Well, hello again. Welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Before we get started, just a reminder to please do like, subscribe, and share with someone you think might enjoy the content. It all really helps the channel out. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 93. Let's start with this box. We're missing 1 and 6. We've got a 1 there, so 6 and 1. For this column then, looks like we're missing a 1 and a 4. We've got a 1 here, so 4 and 1. For this box then, looks like we're missing 2, 7, and 8. We've got a 2 and a 7 here, so this is our 8. But no other help. So 2, 7, 2, 7. For this box, looks like we're missing 2, 4, and 6. We've got a 2 here. So 4, 6, a 6 here. So 2, 4, and a 4 and a 6 here. So that makes this our 2, 4, 6. For this row, looks like we're missing 2, 6, and 7. We've got a 6 and 7 here, so 2 and a 6 here, so 7, 6. For this box then, looks like we're missing 3, 5, and 8. We've got a 3 and a 5 here, so 8, 3 here, so 5, 3. For this row then, we're missing 2 and 5, and we don't have any help. So 2, 5, 2, 5. For this row, we've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing 4 and 8, and again, no help. So 4, 8, 4, 8. To finish out this column here, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're missing 8. For this column, looks like we're missing 2, 7, and 9. We've got a 2 and 9 here, so that's our 7. But no other help. So 2, 9, 2, 9. For this column, we're missing 1, 4, and 5. We've got a 1 here, so 4, 5, 4 and a 5 here, so this is our 1. We've got a 5 here, so 4, and that makes this our 5. So to finish out this row, we've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing a 4. So that 4 makes this our 8 and our 4. For this column, we've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing 4, 7, and 8. We've got a 4 and a 7 here, so this is our 8. We've got a 7 here, so 4, 7. That 7 makes this our 2, 7. That 2 makes this our 9 and 2. So for this row then, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is our 9. To finish out this box then, we're missing 1 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 1, 8. If we finish out this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing our 5. For this box then, we're missing 6, 8, and 9. We've got an 8 and 9 there, so 6. We've got a 9 there, so 8, 9. For this row then, looks like we're missing a 3. For this row, we're missing a 1 and a 5. We've got a 1 here, so 5, 1. That 5 means this is our 2, 5. So to finish out this box, we're missing 2 and 6. We've got a 2 here, So 6 and 2. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you again for joining me. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here tomorrow for our next puzzle.